Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're talking about the top 5 best car buffer polishers for 2026. Whether you're a professional detailer or just a car enthusiast, having the right polisher can make a huge difference in keeping your car looking shiny and new. In this video, I'll go over each polisher's features, my personal review after testing them, their pros and cons, and help you decide which one is right for you. Check out the links in the description for the latest prices and deals. So, let's dive in. Number 1. Chemical Guy's 10FX Random Orbital Polisher Kit. Comes as a 9-piece detailing kit. The Torx polisher, pads, polishes, and compounds. 700-watt motor with 8mm orbit for swirl-free polishing. Digital display lets you control speed easily. Safe for cars, trucks, SUVs, and more. I tested the Chemical Guy's 10FX on a few vehicles, and I have to say, the digital display makes it super easy to set the perfect speed. The 700-watt motor is strong enough for medium to heavy scratches, but still gentle enough for delicate finishes. The kit comes with everything you need to start polishing right away. No extra purchases needed. Pros. Complete kit, ready to use. Powerful 700-watt motor. Easy digital controls. Cons. Heavier than some models, so can get tiring. Slightly higher price point. Use the lower speeds for finishing touches and higher speeds for scratch removal. The digital display helps you dial it in perfectly. Number 2. Flex 24-volt brushless cordless polisher. Cordless design with two 5.0 Ah lithium batteries. 160-watt fast charger included. Brushless motor ensures smooth, consistent polishing. The Flex cordless polisher is perfect if you want freedom of movement, no cords to worry about while polishing. I tested it on both small cars and SUVs. The brushless motor is impressively quiet, but still delivers strong performance. It's ideal for garage or outdoor work. Pros. Cordless convenience. Brushless motor for longevity. Fast battery charging. Cons. You have to manage battery life for long sessions. Keep a spare battery handy for longer jobs so you never have to wait for charging. Number 3. Metabo 7-inch variable speed polisher. Speed range 300 to 1900 RPM. Lock-on feature for continuous polishing. Rat tail handle for ergonomic grip. The Metabo polisher is all about precision. I found it perfect for fine detailing and finishing work. The speed control lets you adjust polish intensity depending on the surface, and the ergonomic rat tail handle makes long polishing sessions less tiring. However, it's a bit heavier, so for all-day work, keep that in mind. Pros. Precise speed control. Comfortable grip. Durable construction. Cons. Pads need to be purchased separately. Heavier than dual-action polishers. Number 4. Adams Polish's 9mm dual-action kit. 16-piece kit, including polish, compound, and pads. 9mm dual-action orbit for swirl-free results. Adams' 9mm dual-action polisher is beginner-friendly and professional-grade at the same time. It's great for scratch removal and finishing. I tried it on a couple of older cars with minor swirl marks, and the results were impressive. A smooth, glossy finish every time. Pros. Complete 16-piece kit. Great for scratch removal. Easy for beginners. Cons. Not as powerful as heavy-duty polishers. Takes a bit of practice to master. Start slow and gradually increase speed to avoid over-polishing. Number 5. Hurricane 2.0 HTFS Dual Action. 900-watt motor with 15mm orbit. 5-inch pad. 6-speed variable control. The Hurricane 2.0 is lightweight yet powerful. Its 15mm orbit makes it excellent for heavy-duty polishing. I tested it on larger surfaces, and the ultra-light body made long sessions comfortable. It's perfect if you want professional results without hand fatigue. Pros. Ultra-lightweight design. Powerful 900-watt motor. Great for large surfaces. Cons. Small pad size may require more passes, slightly more expensive than basic models. So, there you have it, the top 5 car buffer polishers for 2026. If you want a complete kit ready to go, Chemical Guy's or Adams polishes. For cordless convenience, Flex 24 volt. For precision work, Metabo. For powerful, lightweight performance, Hurricane 2.0. Each polisher has its own strengths depending on your needs and experience level. I hope this helps you choose the right one for your car detailing journey. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more car gear reviews. Thanks for watching.